Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look at the MDS and the MPN classification. MPN, MDS or the MPN classification, and this is as per the 2016. So MDS is the myelodysplastic and MPN is the myeloproliferative neoplasms. So let's write it: myelodysplastic or the myeloproliferative neoplasms. So as per this, first one is the chronic myelomonocytic leukemia, CMML. Then comes the ACML, that is the acute atypical chronic myeloid leukemia, that's a BCR-ABL1. Then the juvenile JMML. JMML, if you see, it is nothing but the juvenile myelomonocytic leukemia. Then comes the MDS as well as the MPN. MDS and MPN. This is with the ring sideroblast and the thrombocytosis. Next is the MDS as well as the MPN. That is, it is unclassifiable. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.